Hello today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the NearStream AWM20T. It's a Lavalier wireless microphone with noise cancellation. Oh yeah, and it comes with a nice display and the possibility of 200 meters of transmission. That's a big range. 7-hour runtime, ultra compact dual channel, lapel microphone, wireless for camera, for mobile phone, and of course for personal computer and so on. We have here an ultra compact and a user friendly design. The NearStream AWM20T is a compact and versatile wireless 2-channel label microphone system, consisting of one-time dual-channel receiver and 2 transmitters and 1 charging and storage tray, all designed in a handy pocket size. The receiver is automatically paired with the transmitters every time. The unique clip design allows for easy attachment to clothing, making it an evolution for a variety of applications in content creation. And here we have premium audio quality with noise cancellation technology on it. Each transmitter is equipped with a high-quality omnidirectional microphone, while an integrated advanced noise cancellation algorithm ensures that ambient noise is filtered out. This ensures consistently clear sound recordings, even in noisy environments such as restaurants or cafes. 2 pieces included fur wind protection protect the microphone safely from wind gust. Even on a stormy day or by the sea, you have a crisp, clear record. And 200-meter low latency transmission. Wow! The Lapel microphone set uses reliable 2.4 GHz digital transmission technology and delivers a stable signal with minimal delay, even in crowded RF radio frequency environments. With a range of up to 200 meters, this wireless lavalier microphone allows us to record anywhere, keeping our camera stationary while recording the sound. Perfect for professional use, such as film production, interviews, and so on. And we have an ultra-clear LCD screen for real-time monitoring. The receiver has a high-resolution display that allows a real-time monitoring, and we have access to extensive information and stay informed about the status of the transmitter. The transmitter comes with the letters T and X and a receiver of the R and X, including pairing status, battery status, and microphone gain level. When the transmitter or the receiver is low, we will be notified immediately to charge the appropriated device in time. In 7 hours long battery life, the AWM20T provides an impressive 7 hours of continuous operation on a full charge. In addition, charging the transmitter and receiver is not only done by placing it into the case, but also via a convenient Type-C port with included 2-in-1 charging cable. With this help of the charging cradle, the total battery life can be extended up to 20 hours. This is ideal for outdoor content creation, such as video podcasts, vlogs, streaming, and so on. And we have a versatile connectivity. The AWM20T wireless lavalier microphone system is compatible with a variety of devices. It includes a Type-C to Type-C cable to connect the RX to laptops, phones, tablets, and so on. But there's more. A 3.5mm TRS to TRRS cable for DSLR cameras, and a 3.5mm TRS to TRRS cable for computer, phone, and tablets, with 3.5mm interface. The 2-in-1 Type-C cable is used to charge the TX and RX in the case. This versatile allows us to capture high-quality audio on any camera, computer, and a lot of other devices. We can see it easy. We remove the TX and the RX from the charging case, and they will automatically connect to each other. The status indicator of the TX will show as a solid blue light, and the signal icon of the RX will remain lit indicate successful connectivity. Job's done. Then we connect it to what we like. For example, here to a phone. We use the Type-C to another Type-C cable to connect the OTG interface of the RX to the Type-C interface of an Android device like shown here. It's really easy because it's all plug and play. Job's done. It is connected successful after a couple of seconds, and you will start and have a better sound on your smartphone, on your Android phone, for example, or on the new iPhone 15 Pro. That's possible with USB-C too. Or if we use an older Apple device or an iPad Air or something else with Lightning, we use a Type-C to Lightning cable to connect the OTG interface to the RX to the Lightning interface of the iPhone. And it works really nice. It's really cool because all these cables are included in the box, and this helps us a lot. Though the same way is we can connect these devices by using the USB to the USB cable, by docking into our iPad or tablet or on iPad Pro and something else to gain the sound level in a better way of listening, of course. So yeah. And not only the iPad is compatible, there is more. Of course, a DSLR camera, for example. We insert the clip of the RX into the hot shoe of the camera for installation if we prefer this. We use the 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS cable to connect the 2.5mm audio output interface of the RX to the 3.5mm audio input interface of the camera. So then you have in real time the sound gained up with or on your DSLR camera. Then of course we can make more. We have buttons on it. The common function of the RX, for example, is we can switch it on and off by using a button, or we will remove it out of the case, then it will be switched on automatically. Then we can use the plus and minus, high level, medium level, low level. The UI icons displayed on the RX screen. After this, we press the volume plus or volume down button to adjust the microphone gain level. There are 3 levels, high, medium, and low. And so we can adjust the microphone gain level according to their actual needs. And of course, we can use, for example, another headset to dock this to the RX unit to make a control of what's going on in the system, so you can monitor your voice, what the microphones are recorded. Really cool feature for monitoring. And of course, we can use on the satellite device on the 2, we can press the TX power and noise reduction button to enable the noise reduction. That means solid green light is on, or disable the noise reduction. Solid blue light will be on. We double click the TX power noise reduction button to adjust the microphone gain level. Here's the same. We can go to medium up and a little bit down with it. Then we have a windproofer. Corresponding to the 3.5mm external microphone interface hole. There we have to install the windproofer easily, so we can easily push it in position, and then we can record outdoor with windy condition, for example. That's really cool. It makes a really cool job. It brings us a better sound level than before. Of course, in this price range, it should be better, and it is better because NearStream makes here with a NearStream AWM20T a really good job with a lavalier wireless microphone, noise cancellation technology set. Really cool. It's the NearStream AWM20T. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.